Elon Musk's Tesla phone, Pi, is finally hitting the market. Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that has been highly anticipated for a while now, Elon Musk's Tesla phone. As we all know, Tesla is not just a car manufacturing company, they have dabbled in several other products and services, and a phone is the latest addition to their roster. So, let's jump right in and find out everything we need to know about the Tesla phone. For those who are unfamiliar with Elon Musk, he is the CEO of Tesla, SpaceX, Neuralink, and The Boring Company. Musk has been known for his ambitious goals, and the Tesla phone is no exception. The phone has been in development for a while now, and it's finally hitting the market. So, what can we expect from the Tesla phone? According to some sources, the phone will be a high-end device with premium features. It will likely run on Android, and it may even have a custom Tesla skin that gives it a unique look and feel. The phone may also come with some exclusive Tesla-related apps, such as an app that lets you control your Tesla car or check its status. One of the most exciting features of the Tesla phone is its camera. The phone is expected to have a 108-megapixel camera with support for 8K video recording. This is a significant improvement from other high-end phones currently on the market, and it could potentially make the Tesla phone a favorite among photography enthusiasts. Another feature that has been rumored is the phone's battery life. It's no secret that Tesla is known for its electric cars, which have exceptional battery life. It's possible that the Tesla phone will have a battery life that can last for days on a single charge, which would be a game-changer in the smartphone industry. So, that's all we have for now about the Tesla phone. While we don't have an official release date yet, it's exciting to know that the phone is finally hitting the market. With its premium features and unique design, it's sure to make waves in the smartphone industry. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.